Hello, hello, hello there, and welcome back to Decade Dance. I'm the Decade Dance diva, Gayla Pullins, and I've got Mitch the monkey with me, and today we're going to do Animal Fair. So let's learn the moves first, then we'll do the dance with the music. So we're going to bring our right leg up and hop. We're going to skip, left leg up, hop and skip. Right arm out, left arm out. Then we're going to go down and up and squat down and up. Then we're going to do the monkey. So it's going to be right hand up, left hand up, right and right, left hand up, left and left. And from there we're going to swing our trunk, and then we're going to go right foot, left foot, hands out. All right, and that is the Animal Fair. So let's do it with the music.
I went to the animal fair.
Right hand, left hand, down, up, down, up,
his auburn hair.
right, left, right, left, left.
The elephant and fell to his knees, and that was the end of the monk.
Let's do it again. Ready?
I
Right,
went to the animal fair. The birds and the beasts were there. The big
down,
baboon by the
up,
light of the moon
down,
was combing
up.
his auburn hair. The
right,
monkey found the
left,
skunk.
left, left.
The elephant sneezed and fell to his knees, and that was the end of the monk.
Ernie the elephant. I hope you guys had a good time. We'll see you next time. Bye.